What's good, YouTube? Just So Farm here. Welcome to the next part of the Just So Farm Coffee Lake PC build 2018. And if you guys can see right away, I got the ROG Maximus X Hero with Wi-Fi AC gaming motherboard, guys. And if you guys know what ROG stands for, it's Republic of Gamers, guys. This motherboard is badass, guys. It's made by Asus. It is compatible with Intel and AMD with the new Intel 8700, like the 8th generation. It's NVIDIA SLI compatible, and it has Asus Aura Sync. And also it's compatible with 3D printer friendly, so that's one thing about it as well. On the other side of the box right here, we're just English, regular random stuff. Just regular Asus stuff again, same thing. And then the choice of champions. On the back of the box, guys, as you guys can see, all the writing is just metallic. It's so badass. We got the gaming motherboard, 2x2 MU-MO Wi-Fi, addressable header and Aura, pre-mounted I/O, M.2 heatsink, which is a nice thing that I like. The back panel ports are right here. It has one clear CMOS button, one BIOS flashback button, one Wi-Fi module, one HDMI 1.4b, one DisplayPort 1.2, two USB 2.0 ports, 4 USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports, one anti-surge LAN RJ45 port, 2 USB 3.1 Gen 2 ports, one optical S/PDIF out, and 5 gold-plated audio jacks, guys. This motherboard is expensive and worth the money, but not too expensive. It's still a budget build PC, but it is Republic of Gamer, and you can't go wrong once you hit Republic of Gamer, guys. The CPU is an Intel socket 1151 for 8th generation core processor. The chipset is a Z370 chipset. If you guys haven't seen already by my introduction video, my graphic card and everything, it's already been based off that chipset, off the 8700K. The memory is 4 times max, 64 GB DDR4, that's max. And then it has all this unbuffered memory is for 4133 plus OC, plus overclocking, megahertz, non-ECC unbuffered memory. It supports Intel Extreme Memory Profile. Expansion slots, it has 2 PCIe 3.0 times 16 slots, times 1 PCI 3.0 x 16 slot, and it has times 3 PCIe 3.0 times 1 slot. That's over here, the expansion slots, if you guys want to see that right there. See the expansion slots?
That's like there.
Those are expansion slots I'm talking about. Those are the information. A little more close up. It has the multi-GPU support, NVIDIA 2-way quad GPU SLI technology, and AMD 3-way quad CrossFlex technology. And as you guys can see, this is how the lights look. There's LED lighting here. There's LED lighting on the box over here. There's a coupon inside to get 20% off cable mod cables with your purchase of a Asus motherboard. And if you guys haven't told already, I picked this up from Canada Computers. I think we got this motherboard for under $400, I believe. And on the side over here, it tells you there's USB connections and all that. The times 1 USB 3.1 Gen front 2 connectors, 2 USB 3.1 ports and all that. And all the goodies. I'm not really going to read everything. I'm going to let you focus on it. Is it focused? You let me know when you see it focused?
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys can see the storage, the LAN, wireless, Bluetooth, the HD audio, the form factor. You guys can pause it. If you guys want pausing, you guys can get all the information there. And now let me flip it back over. And let's open it up, guys. So right when you open it up, guys, as you guys can see, it says Welcome to the Republic right there, which is so badass with the cool Welcome to the Republic guy. So let me quickly put on my electric static discharge bracelet before I even touch the motherboard, guys. Alright guys, I got my electric static discharge bracelet on. I got it hooked to the case, and now we can touch the motherboard safely. So let's remove the plastic. Thank you. And as you guys can see, that motherboard looks beautiful. Let's pull it out. guys can see. Let's set it aside. I got stickers, guys. Republic of Gamer stickers. Oh my god, it's crazy. Got Game On stickers. I love it. I'm gonna make the case look amazing, guys. Love that. Put that aside as well. Thank you. Other things in the box, guys. I got some type of, I guess, a logo type of thing. Or like a coaster, I guess.
That's a coaster.
It's pretty cool. Use it for your Mountain Dew or whatever you gamers are drinking. And the box is just made so cool. Looks like, I don't know if there's anything else in there. There should be a couple wires probably. And here, this is the user guide. Comes with the disc. And yet again, another sticker in there. And 20% off cable mod cables, guys. I'll set this aside. So as I open this up over here, here's all the wires. We have some type of Asus plastic parts and stuff that you can add to the motherboard and stuff, and some type of I believe that looks like, I guess this is like a station to have the motherboard standing. Looks like to me. Some more wires in there. Pretty much just some more gadgets and stuff. The pin, this thing, that's important, right?
That's for the header.
The headers and stuff.
The power, LED, everything.
A couple of screws, more wires and stuff like that. More screws. Throw everything back in here. Just gonna keep the box safe for now, and let's show you guys the motherboard. Are we in frame?
Yeah, we're in frame.
Just make sure you guys can see. So, as you guys can see, the motherboard looks gorgeous. I think, if I'm not wrong, is that a temperature thing?
No, that's just for testing, post testing.
Okay. And let's pull this baby out. The only way I know to pull it out is using this way, because that's how I saw it get pulled out. Kind of computers. As you guys can see, it's beautiful. Republic of Gamers. It says Hero on it, and Maximus X Heroes. Got the logo right there, the batteries in it. Your RAM area, your graphic card spot, sound card. You guys already know all the good stuff. There's a little start thing there. Supreme FX sound card, I believe. Here would be all the ports. The BIOS, the Wi-Fi, HDMI. All the super speed USB 3.1 and 3.2, which was incredible for this. On the back, all the pins and stuff, again, ROG Maximus X Hero, again with the Wi-Fi, the model number and stuff like that. You guys can just see how crazy this looks. And then this would be where your processor would go and stuff. So yeah, guys, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And check out my next videos where we're going to be unboxing the Intel i7 8700K processor. And we're going to be showing you guys how to install that into here. And we're going to also be unboxing the M.2. And be applying the heatsink and all that and putting it into wherever the M.2 would be going. I think over here. But yeah, guys, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And continue watching the series, guys. Take care.